In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to your Base44 app. Let's get started. First, I'll navigate to my dashboard and open the Clio CRM application. Once the project loads, I'll head to the Builder chat and type a prompt asking to add a Google Drive integration button for direct file uploads. The AI quickly processes my request and asks for clarification on how the integration should work. I'll choose the Shared Account option and submit my choice. Next, I need to authorize the connection, so I'll click the Connect to Google Drive button. This brings up the standard Google sign-in window where I select my account and grant the app permission to access my files. After receiving the success message, I'll close the window and watch as Base44 automatically writes the backend functions and builds the necessary UI components. Base44 generated a functional Google Drive button that automatically triggers a file picker for the user. It successfully integrated the backend logic to list and import files, placing the new button right in the CRM header for easy access. I'll switch to preview mode to confirm everything is working. And as you can see, the Google Drive integration is now live and ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.